Hey guys, Tom here, and this is Notsoaveragebuilder, and welcome to my channel. On this channel I like to do little tutorials on how to do certain things in building models. I want to bring light to the modeling community, to the people that normally wouldn't do models because I think it's too difficult or whatnot. I can show you, and I want to show you, that it is super simple to do them. You can do it. My motto on this channel is don't be an average builder, be a not so average one. And you can do it. There's very simple tricks and tips that I've got and that I'm going to do in the future that will greatly help the beginner person get into the hobby and move forward in the hobby and progress and all of those things. So on behalf of the Not So Average Builder team, which is currently myself, I want to welcome you to the channel and hope that you will subscribe and ring the bell and hang around for a bit. Have a good day.